He said in the day of judgment will we all of us will be sent at the same time or in different and separate periods.
You see, people think that Yawm al-Qiyamah will be a short period, a day or so, like we have a day here. It's impossible to judge the people and give them a chance to defend themselves who are far more than trillions, because get all the people for the time of Adam, for instance, just one prophet, up to the time of the end of the world. So there would be trillions of people. It's impossible to give them time and to accuse them of their deeds or to find out if they have been doing good deeds, etc., and for them to answer and then to present witnesses. Allah's system of justice is complete. So that may take, from our time, if we judge according to our scale of time, that may take 1,000 years, for instance, or more. So don't take Quranic explanation literally. They are metaphorical, and one should be understood that God is the source of all wisdom. He can't speak of unwise things, impossible things.